Yo, this is how to get Delta Executor, new method, iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got it right here. I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see it works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So this is super awesome. So let me just join a game here just so you guys can see. But yeah, let's just wait for this to load up. As you can see, look at this, guys. We have the fully working Delta Executor. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So this is super cool, guys. So yeah, there's nothing hard about this. I'm going to show you how to get it. So as you can see, I got all the settings. So this is super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So as you can see, I got all the settings there. So this is super wild. So let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, this is so cool. Alright, so first things first, go to your browser and you just want to go to the website bloxzy.com. So when you're on this site, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So you just want to press that and it should download straight onto your device. So let me just go ahead and press that right here. So you can read all about it. As you can see, we got all the information. So I'm just going to press Get Delta. And then before it loads, it's going to ask for the username. So make sure you guys go ahead and put in your Roblox username. So I'm going to press Continue. And then as you can see, it's searching the database. So I'm going to press Yes. Alright, so now it says user found. And it's just going to say like import Delta. Do you want to import it? So I'm going to say yes. And the script does not matter. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's loading up right here. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load. And we'll see what happens. Alright, so this is the moment of truth, guys. Super awesome. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it says API connected. So there's this thing that says I'm not a robot. So I'm going to press that. And let's see if it goes through. And it should work, guys. So let's see. Yes, it worked. Thanks for passing. Alright, I've already got it installed, but still. Alright, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super wild. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. Totally updated. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. You can see all the settings. So this is super cool. And it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. So yeah, as you can see all the settings, so this is super cool. I've tested this stuff a lot. And this works. So this is so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out.